In this video I show you how to download and install the latest version of Termux in 2025. So let's get started. First open your Chrome browser, search for up to down APK. Click on up to down website, which should be one of the first results. The website loads, go to search bar and type Termux. Now you see Termux in the search results. Click on it and scroll down to find the download button. Here you see the latest version available. Tap download and wait for the APK file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the APK file and tap install. If you see a warning, just enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. I already downloaded and installed it, so now I'll open Termux. And as you can see, apps is working perfectly from here. You can start setting it up for root access and other advanced commands. So that's how you download and install Termux latest version in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.